Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. In today's video we will show you how to remove or how to replace instrument cluster assembly on Chevy Cruze. In today's video guys we will show you how to remove and how to install one. If you need to replace it or do programming, we'll have the video on the channel coming very soon. Quick introduction guys, every car we get at the shop we make at least 200 videos. Why? Because our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you guys need to buy any tools or any parts for your car guys, any car, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can get them for a really good price and fast shipping as well. So let's go ahead, start on it and show you what we need to do, okay, to remove and replace the instrument cluster on Chevy Cruze. So for the next scene guys, you do not have to have, okay, the steering wheel removed in order to remove the instrument cluster, the gauges guys. We have the steering wheel removed so we can show everything with a great detail, but otherwise you don't have to remove it. If you want to see the video, it's on the channel and it's not very complicated. But what we need to do now guys, okay, pretty simple. You can see these clips right here, there is two of them, and if you grab it, okay, you need to come a little bit like that if you have your steering wheel, okay, there, and they will come loose. Then if you lift it up, okay, that whole piece should be a little bit more gentle than I am. It comes up guys. So here, these two clips, they just slide in. And you have a few clips on the side. Now, you're going to lift that thing up guys. And when you lift it up, I'm going to explain what we are going to do. So let's stay, okay, from like right here. Okay, we'll try to shoot from right here so you can see a little bit better. We need a 7mm socket, and for the next screws, you actually guys don't even need a ratchet or anything. They're not very tight. You have two screws, one here, one on this side. So it's hard for me to show you there. I cannot stick the camera in, but I'm going to get them loose. Okay, now I'll show you what they look like. 1 second. Okay, I'm very careful not to drop it in, so go ahead, grab one. Will come out. This is, guys, okay, the screw right there. Now we have one more of those, and this, the second one, it is the same screw on the left side. Okay, and it is extremely uncomfortable. So if you have a little bit of an extension, it may be even a little bit better, guys. This one's out. I'm very careful not to drop it in. Okay, once we pull that thing out, I'll be able to show you where everything is located. So this is guys, okay, right here you can see the that's the second screw now. So what we need to do next guys, okay, right here, that cover, grab it on the back side. Grab, okay, on the back side, not on the front, pull it up. Because that lip right here goes on the front and you cannot remove it otherwise. Here now guys, we have two more screws that we need to remove. Okay, let me show you now where. Now, actually it looks like it's 4 screws, but it's actually, okay, 2 that we need to take care of. You have one here, one there, and here on top you have 2, but we don't need to remove those, I guess. So, again, just do it by hand. Most of them are not very tight by the factory. Okay, we're almost there with one of them. Perfect. Now, one more here. This is in the very corner there, guys. Okay, I just dropped my socket. I just smashed the camera. Second one, about to come out. Perfect. Now, let me explain what else we need to do. After that, guys, so far we disconnected 4 screws, right? So, okay, not very complicated, guys. Now, let me show you. Okay, from here, we're gonna stay from here. You grab your instrument cluster, okay. Right here in the middle, I just realized that, okay, let's go ahead and see if we can get some light from here. Okay, perfect. We have one more screw, guys, hidden. Okay, right there. Same thing. So we need to go ahead, okay, remove that one too now. Even though they go by hand, sometimes they get stuck a little bit. Okay, we're almost out. Perfect. That's the third screw. Now, let me get the light. We're going to position everything here so I can show you guys, okay, what we need to do next. You need to grab your instrument cluster, okay, and pull it out, guys. Now, what do we need to do here? Here things get, okay, I got that plastic stuck. A little bit interesting. We need to disconnect the wire. How we do that? Okay, you can see that tooth. Okay, right there. Let me just focus. Right there. Okay, perfect. That tooth right here, press in. And at the same time, okay, let me just go ahead and grab it with 2 hands. When you press that thing in, you need to lift the black thing up. And the instrument cluster on your Chevy Cruze, guys, okay, came out. You can see just like that. So that's how you guys remove it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Please guys subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.